In today's video, I'm going to be showing you how to use IPVanish on a Firestick. So if you're using Firestick onto your TV device, you can see we have the products in here, and the VPN service is pretty much available for every platform, whether you're using any type of mobile or desktop device. You can easily utilize this. So you can see we have that on Apple TV, we have our Chromecast, and if you are using it on your TV, of course on a Fire Stick, then I recommend going with the streaming devices option. Like for example a Fire TV, you can click onto this option and get it for that. So you can see we have our features shown in here. You can click on download, get IPVanish, and that's how you can use on your Fire Stick service. And yeah, so that is pretty much it. You can see all the regions that are supported, so everything is pretty much available in here. I hope this helps. Thank you so much for watching. Make sure to subscribe and see you in the next video.